Number 3.
iRobot Roomba 980. This is one of iRobot's top-of-the-line robotic vacuums that boasts many of the bells and whistles, including smart connectivity allowing you to access and control the Roomba 980 from your Android or iOS device. It does an amazing job cleaning carpet and hardwood, can detect stairs, and has an excellent run time. There are a few other sensors on board, including one to detect a ledge and one to detect the presence of carpet, whereupon the iRobot Roomba 980 will increase its suction power.
Number 2.
Eureka PowerSpeed Light. This adjustable vac can be prepped for any type of surface, and comes with accessories to manage any situation while still being lightweight. We especially like the extra-large 4.1L capacity of this model, making it easier to clean the whole house in one session. The canister on this vac is also one of the largest on our list at 4.1 liters, easily enough to deal with a room's worth of dust. And thanks to the 12.6-inch width brush head, you can clean flat spaces quickly while still trapping dirt. The 25-foot cord can also easily handle even larger rooms around your home. You may also want the best carpet cleaner for your floors.
Number 1.
Shark Navigator. This Shark is an amazing upright vacuum with top-notch filtration and an incredibly useful handheld conversion feature. For more great products like this, visit our guide to the best upright vacuum cleaner. The best upright vacuum we've found, the 13.7-pound Navigator, is especially easy to handle, with swivel steering that allows it to go nearly anywhere with just a twist, and a brush roll shut-off options for more delicate floors. It carries a canister with 2.2 quarts of space and an excellent HEPA filter for trapping almost all the dust the vac brings in. It's also a convertible model. You can remove the canister and hose at any time for a handheld option that makes it much easier to reach high surfaces in the middle of vacuuming. With all these capabilities,
check out the description for more information in latest price.